Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to discuss about is Cash App good for minor or kids under 18 years of age. So let's start. First open the Cash App. The basic proposition of this app is to make transactions for daily usage. Nowadays many parents let their kids open account on Cash App. By this parents can give pocket money to their kids on the app. Let's say a parent has given her kid 20 bucks as a pocket money and the kid is making payments to buy some things for him. At some point in the future, the app will ask to verify if the kid is 18 years or older. Then if the kid fails to verify, that kid will not be able to make payment or withdraw money from the app. So this app is not meant for the minor or the kids under 18 years of age. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.